The new Mavic Air is a marvel of engineering and design. An ultra-portable device that stretches the boundaries of what's possible for a drone this size. To do this, we had to reimagine the most efficient design possible. Each and every aspect has been refined and optimized, from its radical, foldable design down to every line and polished curve. The result is a powerfully creative tool in a dramatically reduced form factor. The Mavic Air has a presence that oozes style and geometric elegance. Arms and propellers sit flush against its slender aerodynamic frame. It is the most portable drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Protected by the chassis, the newly designed gimbal system is suspended from a set of dampeners in a 3-dimensional formation, which dramatically reduces vibration for steadier shots. For greater stability in flight, we've developed a new dual-hinge design for the arms. The foldable landing gears are positioned on the tips of the arms. Hidden inside are omnidirectional antennas that are purposely placed away from the body to provide more extensive signal coverage for optimal transmission. The Mavic Air has 7 onboard cameras that are reinforced by durable magnesium alloy brackets, offering a more robust framework for better performance. Processing data from this many sensors allows the Mavic Air to read the environment with a greater attention to detail, providing better obstacle avoidance and more accurate real-time positioning. For a drone this small and this powerful, heat dissipation needs to be handled efficiently. Air is drawn in from behind the gimbal and through the heatsink, with excess heat expelled from vents on the back. To achieve such an intricate and bold design, we had to be meticulous about our manufacturing process. Going to such extremes was the only way to deliver a product that met our high-quality standards in both form and function. As an unrivaled piece of engineering, the Mavic Air is a new milestone in flight performance, functionality, and design. An ultra-portable smart drone that is bound to turn people's imaginations into reality.
RDS 呢個頻道啦，咁我琴晚就買咗一個 Dji Mavic Air 7799蚊，咁我買咗多連擊，原價呢就係6299，咁多連擊入邊就包咗好多嘢啦，咁一陣間就開箱嘅時候再睇，咁係啦，咁 Dji Mavic Air just launched the last weekend, so last night, so I gonna buy it, so here we unbox the Mavic Air in this video. Let's gonna watch it. This is a drone. The whole body just inside. It's so tiny but have 430 grams. This is the Dji Mavic Air. So let's open another thing, so see this guy later. So here is the Flymo combo bag. So here we got a two extra batteries, 2 extra propellers of 8 props, and wires and the remote controller. Yeah, this is Flymo combo. So here we got a propeller guard in the Flymo combo. So maybe I didn't anymore to use that because I already know how to fly the DJI products. So maybe useless for me. So here we got a user manual. So before you fly the Dji Mavic Air, just read it for the safety. Let's open another handbag for the carrying. So in this box we got 8 props of propellers and the wires of the type C and type and the joysticks, the extra joysticks, yeah, and wires. So maybe you use Android phone, so you can change these things to the remote controller. And here the next one is the Dji Mavic Air remote controller. So this is very comfortable. This can be antennas can be folded, so which can easily to fix in the pocket, and the mobile device holder. And here's have two joysticks to control the Mavic Air. Yeah, this is so tiny, but it's very intelligent. Yeah, the technology is very great. So here we have the two intelligent flight mode battery. Yeah, intelligent battery. Yeah, have one, and we got another. Yeah, here's two batteries, which is already full charged last night. Then one battery can fly 21 minute maximum flight. Yeah, and we got 3 batteries. Another battery already installed in the Dji Mavic Air. So totally flight time, if I have 3 batteries, we can fly more than 1 hour, which is very great. So yes, 2 extra batteries. So here we also got a charging cables. This is only the way can charge the Dji Mavic Air batteries. So if you don't get this, you cannot able to charge these batteries. And also Flymo combo offers offer the charging hub. Here the same time it can charge 4 batteries, 2 side here and another 2 side here. So totally he can charge 4 battery. I show you. Here's 1 battery, it's gonna fix in. So here I have 3 battery also, but another battery is in here, so I'm not gonna take it out. And another 2 here, so same time he can charge both battery, which is very useful. And the last thing, this is the charging remote control cable, which is very important. If you cannot charge the remote controller. So all the way here we also got this all thing, the free carrying case bag, charging cables, and the remote controller charging wire, 2 extra batteries, 8 propellers, and the propeller guards, remote controller, and the Mavic Air, and the joystick. And also this is the fit in here, and also charge your mobile. This is the you can use for battery bank to charge your mobile. So all the way, let's show you the Mavic Air. Yeah, Mavic Air. So here the Dji Mavic Air. Let's unbox this. But in the last night I already unboxed this guy. So here the Dji Mavic Air, which is pretty heavy. So let's put it here and close the box. So let's unfold the Mavic Air. First to downward, and the next side again, pull it from the down, and the front just left. No, mean the slide frontward. So the Dji Mavic Air. So don't remember it when you fly, pull this out. So here have the gimbal, let's remove it. And it shoots 4K 30 frames per second and 100 megabits per second. so which is very cool. And the battery installed here, which is 5:21 minutes. So here we take our first flight in the home.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.